Good morning, good morning. It is Monday morning. Just got done with some more little cuties, some alligators and some frogs. Look at these guys. It looks like I do have a layer shift again in the eye. It looks like it's always mid-eye. I was having it in the other one, so let's go look at these. So this was on the Stego. No, this one's good. Nope, right there. I do think it is the nozzle. Also have this little line here. I have it on this one, and I have it on the mooses. So I'm gonna finish up one print tonight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna swap over to a new Hotend to see if that bent Hotend is the issue. See if that's what's going on, or if there's something else. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Have a good night. Alright, it is still Monday. It's around lunchtime. I got a couple more filaments in the mail. Have I told you how much I love this brand, Zyro? Check them out. Their affiliate link is below in the description. It helps me out a little bit, especially if you're going to be buying filament. Check them out. You will not be disappointed at all. I haven't been disappointed in any of them yet. These two are the same. They are both PLA gradient matte. These are gray layer rock. I went through about 2 spools of this. It is a light gray, dark gray. Let me get some. So this color is gonna be that. Almost looks like a bluish tint, but dark gray, light gray, bluish tint, and dark gray again. Same thing for the Rhino, if you can see that. Wonderful colors, just something different. But yeah, I went through 2 spools of these already, so I ordered 2 more. I did get a new color. This one is going to be an ocean. I forgot what this one looks like, so let's open it up. And then this is the ocean. It is a like baby blue, like a lime, not really a lime green, just like a really light green, some dark blues in there, some other light blues, just all kinds of colors. I think this is gonna look really cool on some like ocean minis, on the little cuties. Once I start printing with this, I'm gonna let you guys know and see what it looks like. But that is gonna be it for today. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace. Good morning, good morning. It is Wednesday morning. I finally have my first custom order on my shop. And these things are looking very nice. I like how they turned out. It is with that. I'm also going to do a large dragon, like that one right there. They wanted 2 baby smalls and an egg, and then a large as well. So again, this is my first order. I've had my website up for about a month. This is my second order. This is my first custom order. My first order was someone ordered three dragons. They ordered the glow-in-the-dark one. They ordered actually 2 glow-in-the-dark ones. And then I think they ordered one of those colors. And then a glow-in-the-dark one right there. So again, it's my first custom order. I just need to figure out how to get more orders on my Shopify account, on my website, redfinprints.com. Alright, so that is it for this morning. I will talk to you guys later on this afternoon to see what we're doing. I think I have to do some cookie cutters for my daughter. So I'll walk you through me printing those and see what they look like. Good morning. It is Thursday morning. I'm about to be heading off to work. This is still working on the custom order for an adult crystal dragon. And then 2 of the baby dragons. Wonderful color. So this dragon should be done later on today when I get home. We're about another 12 hours. That seems about right. I have an error code, failed to connect to internet. I wish that's not right, because I'm connected perfectly fine. But I will be with you guys later after work. Good afternoon. Print's done. Not much to vlog for today. Long day at work. Look how nice this thing looks. You got the adult, and then you got the babies. I'm going to print one more of these with the other part of the egg for the babies, and that will be tomorrow night. So I will be with you guys tomorrow morning. Have a good night. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is still Friday. Finally got my last order printed. Just got out of work. So again, this order is going to be, they wanted an adult crystal dragon along with 2 babies. I ended up printing 2 of each. Very nice colors. Again, there's a layer shift right there, very small one. Again, it may be due to that Hotend a couple weeks ago with it getting bent. Because of clogging issues. So tonight's going to be a little longer. I'm going to take the AMS apart, replace the tubing in there that I did not, and I'm going to replace the Hotend in this one. So while I do this, I'm going to talk a little about myself, if that's what you guys want to hear. So for right now, I'm going to get this all cleaned off, and then I'm going to work on taking the AMS apart. I've already showed all that in my previous videos. If that's something you guys want to see, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to take it apart and show you what's going on. So while I try to multitask and take this apart, I'm going to talk about myself a little bit, let you guys know who I am. My name is Jose. I currently have a full-time job as a service manager at a Toyota dealership. I absolutely love my job. I was a meat cutter for 14 years before I got into the car industry. So I cut meat, ground meat. Did a lot of stuff in the meat department. Worked my way up. Started out as a bagger, worked my way onto the stock crew. Had an opportunity to get into the meat market at a grocery store and worked my way up. But did that for a few years and becoming a manager, and got greedy and went somewhere else that paid you more. Well, with me getting greedy, I pretty much worked myself to the bone and started to hate cutting meat, started to hate doing what I love to do. So somebody in my family seen that this was happening to me, and they gave me the opportunity to work at a car industry, which I never thought I'd do. Be very careful when you take this out. There are cords down here. Make sure they're unplugged properly, or else you're gonna break something. But pretty much, I love to do what I do as a service manager. And there's a screw I was missing. So I did replace, I believe, both of these tubes. I'm gonna take them out again just to make sure, but I'm pretty sure I replaced both of them. So let's see real quick. And I think it's just the end ones that I need to replace. I apologize, I had to pause it real quick. My dog's going crazy. Somebody just came home. Who else's dogs bark at everything? Bark at the wind blowing. So these two are good. These are the ones that I replaced. And this one is one that I need to replace. Same with this one. So I'm gonna measure those two out and get those replaced. Sorry if the light is shining on you guys. Being in the car industry, I have one of these, which comes in handy with this. They just lay on your head. And I'm sure you guys can hear the dog in the background. She is a Chihuahua, and she's not afraid of anything. I have a Chihuahua and a miniature Husky. So where was that? Yeah, I got in the car industry. I've been in the car industry for about 7 years. Worked my way from sales to a service porter to a service advisor and now a service manager. My next step is to be a service director, and that is what I'm working my butt off to do. I feel like I have a long ways to go, but who knows? Only time will tell. If the opportunity comes up, I'm definitely going to try to take it. As a service advisor, I had a lot of people in the industry who didn't think I'd be able to do it. Didn't think I was good with customers. But come to find out, every single one of those people were wrong. Which I'm glad. I like to prove people wrong. So, that's all done. I'm gonna throw this in the garbage. Can anybody tell me how often these things fail? I've had this for about 8 months. Haven't had any issues in there. So, I just want to know, when am I going to have to replace these? I haven't even looked into them. That was a pain in the butt. From my understanding, the AMS2s, this is an AMS1. From my understanding, the AMS2s are a lot easier to work on. But I've only taken this thing apart maybe 3 times in the 8 months that I've had it. I think it's been 8 months. I think it's only been 6 months. Something like that, and I'm not calculating it out. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together. Put some filament in there. Probably gonna put this new filament in there and print some stuff out with it. Actually, no. I'm going to replace the hot end like I said. So here's the hot end. It does slightly look a little bent. Also be very careful. This was toasty, and I may or may not have burnt my finger. Only I will know. But anyway, so this is slightly bent, so I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna go ahead and get this replaced. If you guys know how to bend these back in place, let me know. I don't know a good way or a safe way yet. If you've watched my BitQ video on upgrade for the Panda Claw Panda Extruder, This was my main issue. I was getting pileups and clogs. Didn't know why. Ended up finding out it was because of this new tool head that I put in that was really bent. So now I have 2 tool heads that are bent that are still new that I need fixed. So if you guys know how to fix them, please leave a comment below, because now I have 2 tool heads that are bent that I can't use. Alright, I got that all installed. Got thermal paste everywhere, all on my fingers. So I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. I'm gonna clean up. And then I'm gonna get this installed. Alright, I am all done. Everything's together. I'm gonna go ahead and do a calibration because I replaced the Hotend. I don't know if you have to do that or not, but I do it as a precaution. So hopefully this wasn't too boring for you guys. If you'd like to see more in depth of doing this stuff, let me know in the comments. I'll try my best to do a little better job at doing it. I'm gonna get all this cleaned up and do a print calibration and do a print test to see how everything goes. And hopefully it all goes good with no issues. But I am going to do a print test with this. That's the Zyro Ocean. Alright, everything is back together and the print calibration is going. Now it's time for me to go get something to eat. A long day at work. Another thing that I'm going to tell you guys about me is I love to cook. I love to cook for my family. I'm going to go make some burgers for me and my wife and call it a night. I'm actually going to probably call it a week. Again, it is Friday night. Tomorrow I work in the morning and then I have a Christmas party. Sunday I try to take off from doing all this stuff. I'm still going to record me vlogging a few things. I'm still going to record me vlogging the prints. But again, if this is something that you guys like to see, have any questions or anything like that, or you want to see something else, let me know and leave a comment below. I get back to everybody. I want to thank you guys again for watching, and as always, print on, my friends.